You can actually make this animation less than 5 minutes in Figma. Let me show you how. Open Figma and create your frame. Let's give the corner a soft, rounded look. It adds a nice modern touch. Find a good photo online and drag it into your frame. This will be your base. Now add other elements as well. And then I used a Gemini to generate car images, but feel free to use any car pics you like. And quickly remove the background. I used a Figma plugin for that. Here it is. So now add those cars into an auto layout frame. Duplicate the layout and replace each with a different car image, like how I did. And now you can crop the layout to show only one car and turn on the clip content so this hides the rest. Let's do the same for the text. Add text in auto layout tool, duplicate and match each text pieces with its car's color. For example, red car color, we can use red accented text. Small touch, but it brings the whole thing together. Do the same for all. To show users where they are, add a small progress bar at the middle of each section. So update the bar to grow on each frame. It gives a clean step-by-step feel. Put car and its matching text into the main frame. Make sure they crop neatly so only one tab shows at a time. So now duplicate the full frame multiple times. Just change the car and text for each version, basically creating different states of your animation now. Alright, it's time to prototype. Switch to prototype mode. Connect each screen to next using the same settings I used here for smooth transition. And that's it. Clean, simple, and done in 5 minutes. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more UX vlogs. See you then. Bye.